welcome to my video. Thank you so much for clicking on it and coming to hang out with me. Today I'm going to show you how I get my quick, easy, fast ponytail. So you're going to need some gel. I'm going to use this Eco Styler gel. I think it's the olive oil one. Pretty sure it is. You're also going to need a comb and some brushes. I mean, I'm just a little extra, but you know. Also some hair ties. And of course some water and bobby pins. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take my hair down. It is semi-wet because I did wash it in the shower and then I just let it air dry. But we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin spritzing my water. Why did I say spritzing? Spraying my hair with some water so that I can get it damp enough to lay how I want it to lay. Because you kind of want this style to be a little clean and you want your hair to lay as flat as possible. So I think the water helps do that. And then I'm just gonna take the brush and then just smooth it out all over. Make sure there aren't any curls that are giving us a hard time because we need them to lay. Okay, lay. And so I want a middle part, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I mean, I'm gonna have a middle part, but I say attempt because I struggle with middle parts. And I mean, you're about to witness that here and now. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. And here we are, still attempting this middle part. Still struggling, just a little bit, just a little bit. Feel it in my chest tonight. I want it. I want it. Never fall out of love. Alright, we're just gonna roll with this. Looks pretty good to me. And now after you have your part, if you choose a part, then we're gonna go ahead and start smoothing down with our gel. And I mean, we're just gonna smooth and lay, smooth and lay. And so once it's smooth to your liking, then you're just gonna find your placement, and then once you find where you want your ponytail to sit on your head, then you're just gonna, of course, just wrap it around and put your hair ties on to make sure that it's secured and tight. I mean, tight as much as you can stand. I like mine really tight. Let's party on. And time for the main attraction, our ponytail. So this is a drawstring ponytail. It has a clip at the front, a comb, and it has a comb in the back. And then of course it does have the drawstring that's gonna make it secured to your head. I have trust issues, so I need all of this. So we're just gonna put it over our bun. We're gonna secure the first comb on the top. Make sure it's in there nice and snug, and then we're gonna do the same for the one in the back. Make sure that your ponytail does not do that. All right, let's try this again, shall we? We're gonna make sure that the front comb is secured into our bun, and then we're gonna do the same for the back comb, and then we're gonna take the drawstring, pull it tight again to your preference, and then we're gonna take the drawstring and wrap it around the ponytail. So easy. Then we're gonna take a piece from the ponytail and we are going to smooth it out with some water and some gel, and then we are also gonna take that and wrap it around the ponytail as well for more security. Trust issues, okay? Trust issues. And then you're just going to repeat it again on the other side. And now my favorite part, the baby hairs, edges, baby hairs, whatever you call them, make sure you lay them.
Come with a classic, they come around your slave and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. I jump my for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave me 25 million for her voice, you know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should pull it with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started touching my sins, he wouldn't believe his hands. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls on my team and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind to the pen. I need me some Jesus on my mind. But I know I'm impatient. He over there, and she was a secret. Trying to bitch me to blow about people. I can't respond with just do what you pick with. If I some rats on the bed, I'm keeping this shit getting that bread. About to dig in my shirt, won't be out. Won't hit the fence. A shark in the water, you swimming with a Luffy. I hit the day by tomorrow, she misses. I grab her neck, she look over, I kiss it. I'm not a girl, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walking.
And this is just me showing you how long the ponytail is. It is very long and I absolutely love her. I love this ponytail. And this is just one of those ponytails that the longer you have it, the better it looks over time. this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.